Want to make your UAEThrive listing pop and attract more views? In this video, we'll dive into the secrets of creating a standout UAEThrive listing that sets you apart from the competition. From optimizing your title and description to using eye-catching visuals, we'll cover it all. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, this video is packed with actionable tips to help you boost your visibility and grow your audience. So, what are you waiting for? Watch now and take your UAEThrive listing to the next level. Today, I'm diving deep into the world of UAEThrive listings to figure out what really makes them stand out from the crowd. Creating a listing that grabs attention is crucial for both sellers and buyers, as it directly impacts the visibility and attractiveness of a product in a crowded marketplace. Sellers often struggle to make their listings unique, facing challenges such as intense competition and limited visibility. Many sellers pour their hearts into creating listings, only to see them get lost in the vast sea of products. This can be frustrating, especially when they know their product has the potential to shine. A major obstacle is the sheer number of listings available, making it hard for any one product to stand out. Sellers must find ways to differentiate their products and showcase their value to potential buyers. Sellers also face the challenge of connecting with their target audience, understanding what buyers are looking for, and presenting their product in a way that resonates with them. Effective communication of a product's features and benefits is key, but this can be difficult when sellers are limited by the format and constraints of the listing platform. High-quality images are essential for enhancing a UAEThrive listing, as they provide buyers with a clear understanding of the product. Detailed descriptions are also vital, allowing sellers to highlight the product's features, benefits, and unique selling points. Customer reviews play a significant role in building trust and credibility with potential buyers, and sellers should encourage satisfied customers to leave feedback. Optimizing listings with relevant keywords can improve their visibility in search results, helping sellers reach a wider audience. By utilizing these strategies, sellers can increase the attractiveness of their listings and improve their chances of making a sale. One of the most impactful tips for improving a listing's visibility is to focus on creating a compelling title and description. This helps buyers quickly understand the product and its value, making them more likely to engage with the listing. A well-crafted title can make all the difference, as it's often the first thing buyers see when browsing through search results. Sellers should prioritize keyword research to ensure their title and description accurately reflect the product and its benefits. By doing so, they can significantly improve the listing's visibility and attractiveness to potential buyers. In summary, making a UAEThrive listing stand out requires a combination of high-quality images, detailed descriptions, customer reviews, and effective keyword optimization. By understanding the challenges sellers face in implementing these strategies, sellers can increase their visibility and attractiveness in the UAEThrive ecosystem. If you've got any tips or tricks for making your UAEThrive listing stand out, share them with us in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our next video on optimizing your listings for better sales. Today, I'm diving deep into the world of UAEThrive listings to figure out what really makes them stand out from the crowd.